What the heck, dude? I thought these were gonna be cracked on. How many is hand untighten?
Just these two.
Okay, oh my gosh, but still.
They're not even broken or anything.
I was thinking that, you know, we'd have to use a breaker bar and it'd be a ton of work because they'd be rusted on or something. Not the
exact opposite?
Yeah, we're like, what? Not giving me
a jack up? There's supposed to be like a, you know, cotter pins, right? There's supposed to be a cotter pin in that so it doesn't happen.
So what you're saying is that my wheel totally could have fallen off on me.
With the loose lug nuts or the loose CV axle? You tell me. The whole wheel with the CV axle just leaves you. Ooh, that's a lot of poo-poo on there.
So how do you just pull this off, right, to check it?
Yeah. Easy peasy. No problem, no problem.
That is definitely torqued.
You're like the Superman.
Dude, I'm the next best. Okay, well, I don't.
Sometimes you have to get a little lucky rubber mallet or something and love tap it. Yeah.
I think that could be a problem. You said if it's full of fluid, right?
I meant actually the boots, but I mean, this is a pretty telltale sign, don't you think? You actually have good material, but you need to spray them down with some brake clean. A lot of brake clean, lots of brake cleaner. Just get a wheel cylinder. That's it. I mean, brake pads you don't really. If you want to, you can, but I don't see the point.
Side. They're so short.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start?
Yeah.
You got the tire?
No. Just gonna fall and hit you.
Okay.
Leedle.
Hey yo.
That was easy peasy.
And there's no fluid inside. Okay. Now we have our new, nice, shiny brake cylinders. Jevon's taking it off. Good thing this thing isn't finger tight. We would definitely not lose a wheel.
Is your name Robert?
Why?
Because I'm working on your vehicle.
Yeah, but I always work on my stuff. You know that. That's where it's different.
Ooh, be careful, son.
What? Will it shoot out? There we go. Well, that's one way. What are you doing, Jevon?
You wanna spray your leg?
No! Okay, we got brake cleaner. We're gonna clean the brakes, as one might assume.
Are these metal shavings part of the install?
That's from the grinding.
Oh, sorry. We put that in the video?
I can't remember.
That kind of spray or what?
Look, we don't even need to have it turned.
I just turned it right now.
I know.
Watch, see? I just turned it.
Is that too loose though?
No. This is good. This is really good. That's what it should be like. Where you could have difficulty taking it on and off. But you don't want it to spin inside this drum. You want it to barely to be like pressure to it. You hear it? That means that the brake pad's almost touching the drum, like, or barely touching it, and that's perfect. Absolutely perfect.
Thanks for your help, Max.
You're welcome, Max.
What did you say, Robert?
I know. Hi, my name is Max. I'm a vlogger.
See how fast that starts?
I'm quite surprised.
It's not dying though. Oh, where's my brakes?
Oh, you have brakes?
No, I have to pump it 10 times. I'm being serious.
You have to pump it to use it?
Yeah. Because that was the exact problem I was having, was that it's almost like this master cylinder's broken, but it's a brand new one. You know?
Yeah.
Could that be the problem?
Yeah.
Even though it's brand new from AutoZone?
Could be a warranty, it could be a defect. It is possible. I've seen it before.
Because that's, I'm like, why do I have to pump it 10 times to get any brake pressure?
Yeah, because it should just work the first time. Here, take this.
He's installing our stainless steel brake lines. We figured we'd get those instead because we're going to put new suspension in. But I got our nice little cotter pins, so we're going to go install those real quick. Stop. Pedals down. You're good. Okay, guys, in conclusion, the brakes still aren't fixed. It's now 7:30 at night, and yeah, that's just amazing. So basically what we have to do is we need to... Why does it seem like the lens is all greasy?
Because probably there's like 3 pounds of brake fluid on it and brake cleaner and goop from 1965.
Okay, so guys, we will see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button. You want to tell him anything, Jevon? Woo! He actually watches the videos, unlike Robert, so, you know, if you want to follow him, just follow him on his Snapchat. Which, I don't know, because I don't follow on Snapchat. Oh, okay, so we'll see you guys tomorrow on the next one. Nothing else to say. I guess it's time to end it. You want to hit it?
I don't know. Papa!
No, you actually just hit the lens. That's too hard, dude. One was softer, dude. Sound like my grandma.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this,